Welcome to God's Favor Home Solution YouTube channel. Thank you all for the likes, the follows, the views. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, please don't stop. Keep sharing the links to your friends, your families, and loved ones because this week we're going to be going through a massive updates on cryptocurrency. Like we all know what cryptocurrency is. But if you don't know, I would like to shed more light on that. Cryptocurrency or cryptocurrencies, because they are much, are coins that you can get in exchange for money. Okay, like the popular ones, we have bitcoins, we have ethereum, we have bitcoin cash, we have litecoin, we have solana, we have tron, we have dogecoin, various coins. Okay, but these ones I mentioned are altcoins. All right, they are not meme coins. Meme coins are just like coins that come in for a minimum of time and they just vanish into thin air. Okay, so if you invest into those coins, it's just like you're going at a risk. Okay, but these coins I mentioned earlier, they are altcoins and they are here to stay. They are stable coins. All right, these are coins that you can invest into, you can trade with, turn it to money and send to your bank account. All right, so there's the question people don't know, or there's something people don't know about. Cryptocurrencies can be mined right from your phone. All right, so you can ask me how really is it true, how does it work out, and all that. Feel free to put your questions in the comment section and I'll be there to answer them all right, so like I said, cryptocurrency can be mined right from your phone. All you just need is your data, your hard work put into it. Everything will make it up, and you see that your crypto wallet is booming. All right, and mind you, this is not an investment that you're going to get rich overnight. All right, cryptocurrency is different from crypto trading. Okay, so we all know this popular website like Binance, most of all these coins exchange sites. Okay, the most popular one is Binance. We all know about Binance. So you see, in Binance you can trade different coins. Okay, so I'm going to be listing some of the websites I use in cryptomining. The first of all is at BTC. Okay, that's the first one. The next one is CoinPayu. Like this. Yeah, like this, CoinPayu. The other one is Faucet Crypto. Okay, then followed by CoinDuke. Then we still have another one is Faucetoshi. Yes. Then the last is VA Faucet. Okay, these faucets are listed. These sites are listed. I mean, they are 100% legit. These are sites I use every day, and this week I'm going to be treating each and every of these sites one after the other. I'm going to be showing you how you get to mine, how you get to withdraw, and what you should look at. But first of all you need to do first before going into cryptocurrency mining is to open a mini wallet, a micro mini wallet. Please don't forget this keyword, the micro mini wallet. And that micro mini wallet I'm about to show you works with all the sites I just listed. You see the sites I just listed, the micro mini wallet works perfectly with this site, because on this site you can withdraw straight to that micro mini wallet, and that micro mini wallet is also 100% legit. So I'm going to show you how it is and how it looks like. Okay, so here's it, guys. I'm using Brave browser because it's 100% secured when it comes to cryptocurrencies. So you see, this is where my mini wallet is on Brave browser. As you can see, it's only this site I have on my Brave browser. So as you can see, this is how the mini wallet looks like, and this is the site faucetpay.io. I'm going to be dropping the link in the comment section, so guys, please just do me a favor, go to the comment section and click on the link to sign up on this amazing micro mini wallet. So this is how the site looks like. Mind you, it doesn't have an app, so you can't download it from Google Play or Apple Play Store. It's only a website, legit. Okay, anywhere you see an app that says Faucet Pay app, no, run away from it, and make sure it is the original authentic site, faucetpay.io. okay, this is how the micro mini wallet dashboard is going to look like. As you can see, this is how my dashboard looks like. You can see my portfolio value, you can see it there, and these are the coins I'm having. You can see I don't have a Bitcoin yet, but you can see the other coins I'm having. You can see how many I'm having. You can see how I'm doing in this crypto mining. You can see the progress. You can see there. You can see all the coins I have. You can see my transactions each day is reflected below. You can see recent Faucet transactions. You can check them out once you sign up and you start withdrawing to this mini wallet. You can monitor your transaction list and how it goes. You can see it has a next button where you can monitor your daily work you do. And also, why I have this is because I withdraw almost every day from this my mini wallet. You can see this is where you get your wallet, and here in this section, this is where all the coins in this site, this is where they are, under this wallet section. And you can see there's a Bitcoin, Ethereum and all that. So here, if you want to withdraw, you click on these three dotted lines, just as I just did now. You can see withdraw there, you can see deposits. So this deposit is if you want to withdraw from one of those sites to this mini wallet, you click on deposit, it will bring you here. You can see this is the Bitcoin wallet address. You can see all you just do, you just copy it from this place here, you see copied, then you go back to that site you want to withdraw from and paste it there, then you send it. Okay, but why I don't have Bitcoins is because the rate of Bitcoin now is high, and at the same time it has reduced also. So this is the right time to pick up your phone and venture into crypto mining, because by the time Bitcoin rises up again, the coin you're going to get is going to be very little. So for now, I think Bitcoin is within $60,000 to $70,000 right now. Okay, previously it was $100,000+ then. So now this is the time to get your phone working. Okay, work, and let's make money in this cryptocurrency mining. You can see here, you can get everything you need. This is the history, you can check. This is my deposit history, coins I've been receiving. You can see them from different sites. You can see them. I work daily on those sites and I withdraw. You can see my transactions. You can see I have up to 52 lists that I can check and monitor my deposits, withdrawals, my deposit history. So now this is my withdrawal history. You can see I've been withdrawing. You can see how I've been withdrawing also. You can see I've been withdrawing also. So to cover everything up, this is the first thing you need. Okay, the Faucet Pay mini wallet is the first thing you're going to open to start up this cryptocurrency mining. So guys, thank you so much, and see you in the next video where we're going to start our lessons using those websites I listed one after the other. You can see them here again, one after the other. We'll start the lessons in the next video. So please guys, keep liking, keep subscribing, keep watching, and let's make money this cryptocurrency word. Okay, thank you and God bless you all. See you in the next video.